Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. I think just having a look at the possibly the volatility index, the VIX again, it's down again 5%. So I think we're definitely coming into sort of calmer territories, and so this should bear well for the general market. As you can see, the Dow was up pretty strongly again, starting to trading over a short-term moving average. And again, with our ASX 200, the market hasn't quite closed yet, but again, we're starting to trend over that short-term ASX 200 moving average. So things certainly are looking better, and hopefully that'll will reflect on the stocks that we're trending at the moment. Um, I think just having a look, first of all, before we look at some of the stocks we're trending, we did put out those sort of weekly buy and sell signals like we do every week, and again these had classic buy signals, which is HOG. You can see that's where it was, and bang, she's gone for it really nicely. So she really did has clicked on that classic buy signal really well. She opened the week at $13.13 and has traded as high as $13.25. So again, those buy signals are obviously kicking goals. And have a look at TME again. Bang, that's where she was. So she opened the week at 393, and she's traded as high as 4.03. So those buy signals again doing really well, and you can see some of the bullish stocks. TRS today hit a record high for the year, which was great to see. It's obviously let's have a look. It was it opened at 318. It's traded as high as 1422. So it's, we certainly did pick up the bullish tone. Again, SGN that hit like a yearly high as well. So again, all those signals are doing really well. We said, funny enough, Telstra had a, had this. This is where she was. This is where she was on Sunday night. Had this classic sell signal, and you honestly think in times like we've got now, with difficult times, Telstra would be well supported. But the charts aren't normally wrong, and bang, she got sold down to being as low as I think $5.15. So these buy and sell signals are continually giving us really good insight into where the markets potentially could move. I'd like to say we put on ADA, which is Adasol, as a 3-year growth story. We do encourage you, if you haven't read the story, to have a look at it. We've got a lot of faith in this stock. I think it'll do very well. It's again had a great earnings growth recently, and it's got a pretty unique business model. So please go to the website, and the code is ADA and the company's Adasol, because it certainly looks very good. One of the recent stocks we put on was Catapult, and again she hit record highs today. So it's looking, she's looking actually really impressive, and she certainly looks like she can go on with this and hit some even stronger gains. Just importantly, I think Green Cross, which we put this stock out when the market was really crumbling, simply because we believed it was a takeover target, and apparently we sent out reports earlier. Apparently some more suitors have joined in, and I think this is really good for Green Cross. I think potentially, I think most analysts talk around the $8 mark as a potential buyout price. So we'll see. I mean, if she if she traded up to a little bit higher, maybe just under $8, we might take profits on the trend. But she certainly does look very good, and looks like she could be a good little money earner for us. And just interestingly is XREF traded as high as today as 0.55. We love this story, XREF. The idea that you've got to basically all the resumes have got to be authenticated, and I think XREF has got a fantastic future. The chart looks actually fine, looks really strong, so hopefully XREF will be a big money winner for all our members over the next 6-7 months. Just having a look at some of the other trends we've got. Obviously got corporate travel, absolutely looks stunning, absolutely fine. In fact, it looks better now than ever. One of the recent ones we put out is AL, Aristocrat. Again, it's looking really strong. And Magellan, when I last looked at Magellan, she creeped back a little bit today, but yeah, she looks really strong. We're in profits with her at the moment, but I think there's no reason why over the next week or maybe even this week she's not going to make a charge higher up towards this sort of maybe $24, $26 level, and we can take some profits there as well. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and I look forward to bringing this report tomorrow. Thank you and good night.